Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to be talking about the four cops who took photos of Kobe Bryant and Gigi's remains. We have more details around this. Please continue to watch this video and also subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Vanessa Bryant, the wife of former basketball star Kobe Bryant, has revealed the names of the cops who shared images of Kobe's remains. She posted 12 pages of her lawsuit filed in the Central District of California Court on Instagram, publicly naming the officers involved. After Kobe and his daughter Gianna died in a helicopter crash on January 26, 2020, the cops allegedly took photos of the remains and shared them with others. The cops, who are with the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department, were forced to delete the pictures from their personal devices by Sheriff Alex Villanueva. Vanessa filed the lawsuit in September 2020 for an invasion of privacy and infliction of emotional distress. On 8 March 2021, U.S. District Court Judge John F. Walter ruled that the name of those accused could be made public. Vanessa released the documents and the name of the four cops. They are Joey Cruz, Rafael Mejia, Michael Russell, and Raul Versailles. Here's what we know about them. Who are these cops? Joey Cruz is a trainee deputy with Sheriff Department. Apart from taking the photos, he's also accused of sharing the images with members of the public in January 2020. Days after the crash, Cruz showed the images to a bartender in Norwalk, who then boasted about them to other patrons. One of the patrons filed a complaint with the sheriff's department, sparking off the alleged cover-up. Rafael Mejia has joined the juvenile intervention team of the Malibu Lost Hills Sheriff's Department 2019, according to Malibu Times report. He is suspected to have obtained the photos from makeshift command post at Los Virgenes Water District. Michael Russell, the third accused, is attached to the Santa Clarita station. He is accused of sending the photos to a friend via text messaging. Raul Versailles was also posted at the makeshift command at Los Virgenes Water District. According to the lawsuit, he is suspected to be the origin of the photos, first sending them to Mejia. Beyond the statements made in the lawsuit, not much is known about the four cops. The LASD has not released any information or personal files. It is also unclear if the cops have been suspended at this time. Lawyers for the Sheriff Department argued that the names of the accused should not be made public because someone might break into one of the deputies' private social media or internet accounts and obtain copies of the photos. However, Judge Walter ruled that argument is totally inconsistent with their position that such photographs no longer exist. Social media users have cheered on Vanessa's move, celebrating the publication of the names of the cops involved. One user tweeted that Vanessa Bryant is really exposing these folks, and rightfully so. This is sickening. How can you just be at a bar and show off pictures of a deceased children and their families? These cops should absolutely lose their jobs. They did everything but protect the victims of this tragedy. So that's all we have in today's video. Please continue to watch this space for more news and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching us tonight. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.